Hello, Aroma friends. This is Amy Creighton here at the Barefoot Dragonfly, and I want to show you a little spring or fall cleaning hack. So spring here for those of us that are in the Northern Hemisphere, fall cleaning for those who are in the Southern Hemisphere. I have a steam mop, and this thing comes apart separately from the base. So this is what the main model looks like, and you've got a nice little pad here. It's clean, but it's stained. They recommend you don't bleach it, so I don't even have bleach in the house. So it's a Shark model, probably a little bit older model. I've had it for a couple of years, so you may not have it this particular style, but most of them are very similar. So they've got controls on one side. You plug it in, and this thing actually plugs into the base right in here like this. But before we plug it in, I'm going to show you a little hydrosol hack I've got. So this indicates your water level. You can see that decently. It's fairly full. And you turn it over. It's got a little cap on this side that you just undo. And then this is where you fill your water. So what you can do, you can't put essential oils in here because it'll actually start eating away at the plastic. The volatiles will eat away at the plastic, and you'll destroy your steam mop really quickly. But you can use a hydrosol. So I've got a nice peppermint hydrosol here that I like to think it smells very clean and fresh. Lemon would be a really good choice as well. So I'm going to measure out. I've got these handy little disposable cups, and you can get one that's not disposable. So for this, I'm going to use 5 mils, which is 1 teaspoon, and you add it to the water of your steam mop. So just like this, just pouring it right into the water reservoir. You could do this, I've done this in the water reservoir of my iron as well. So my clothes iron, which is great if you've got clothes that you're going to be ironing, your Sunday best or a nice blouse or a nice shirt or something like this, some socks, and you're going to use the steam feature. You can do the same thing. So literally the same thing with your iron. So end up plugging this into the base. Let me see if I can get this on camera. So it just plops in. So it's held there, and then when I turn it on, it'll start steaming, and my whole house is going to smell like the hydrosol that I've just put in there. So it'll smell like peppermint. Peppermint I find to be very invigorating, very stimulating. It likes to draw energy up into the head. So this is great motivation for me, because I'm going to feel stimulated, I'm going to feel invigorated to do some cleaning. So cleaning, not my favorite thing to do, but a necessary thing. The peppermint also has a bit of an antimicrobial action to it, so it's going to enhance the power of the steam. It's going to smell really great. If I had really young children, I might not use the peppermint on the floors if they're going to be down there eating the floor and hanging out with it. I might choose something closer to lemon. Lemon's a pretty favorite hydrosol of mine. There's other citruses that you could use. This is one potential way to use hydrosols that are close to their best by or use by dates, because the steam will heat it. So you could do a little bit of filtration and you could add it. So you'll still get the volatiles, those lovely aromatic aspects of the hydrosol, and it will disinfect the water as you're steam mopping it. So it's not like you're going to be adding something yucky to your floor. So that's a really easy, really great way to use a hydrosol that's sort of, again, it's okay. I feel like there's a couple little floaters in there. I don't want to use it therapeutically anymore, but I could still use it for cleaning in this particular format. If I wanted to use it on a spray surface, I'd probably add 60% high proof alcohol, so like a 190 proof alcohol. I get here in Texas, we can get the Everclear, the high proof Everclear, and I know that some people can't get that in other places. So if you can't get a high proof alcohol, then I would say maybe do 70 or 80% of your spritz bottle. Have it be a lower proof alcohol, and so you're just adding just a suggestion of the hydrosol to clean. So those would be my recommendations. Some little spring cleaning tip here from the Barefoot Dragonfly. Hope you are doing well, or fall cleaning for our Southern Hemisphere friends. Hello, Australia. Anyway, so just some suggestions for you. And oh, you can attach, mine comes, when it comes apart, it's got a little steam nozzle that I can use it in the shower. And I love the citruses, or a good, I like the tea tree and the eucalyptus, so something that smells almost a little bit more medicinal to me in the shower. Amazing. And then get in the shower afterwards. Bliss. So good. So if you've got some mold issues, a steam mop with the attachment to be able to use the nozzle on it can be really handy. So hope you enjoyed this tip. You guys stay healthy. Enjoy the rest of your season. I'll see you next time.